Congratulations. You just passed the CPA exam. Your scores hit the top 1% nationwide. A six-figure offer lands from Sterling and Finch. Your starting salary is $115,000. A $10,000 signing bonus comes with it. You secure your downtown apartment. The city gleams below you. You work 60-hour weeks. The grind sharpens your mind. You excel at corporate tax law. Complex structures make sense. You discover loopholes. They save clients millions. Your promotion is fast-tracked. You earn senior partner status in 5 years. Your income jumps to $280,000. The firm values your precision. You are an asset, but the firm's biggest client demands more. You master intricate financial systems. Your desk becomes a fortress of spreadsheets. Tax codes are your language. You navigate offshore holdings. Your first bonus lets you buy a sleek new watch. It is a Zenith Defy Classic. Your promotion to senior manager is swift. Your salary hits $185,000. You advise on multi-million-dollar mergers. The firm gives you a corner office. The city skyline is your reward. You purchase a modern condo overlooking the river. Its value is $1.2 million. You feel powerful. The long hours blur. Your reputation grows. Clients trust your expertise. You manage their fortunes. You find creative solutions. You minimize their tax burden. This is the life you earned. You see the partners' private jets. You eye their executive retreats. Their wealth is another level. You want that freedom. You want that power. You want a bigger piece. A new client approaches the firm. They offer a unique engagement. The managing partner hands you the file. It's high risk, he says, but the payout is substantial. You crave the challenge. You crave the recognition. You crave the ultimate reward. There is only one catch. The file outlines a complex deal. A new energy company needs financing. They operate across borders. They need to move $15 million quickly. Their primary investor is a foreign national. Existing regulations block the transfer. You review the options. Loopholes seem to disappear. The partner insists on a solution. You propose a structuring plan. A series of shell corporations, 5 distinct LLCs in Delaware and Nevada. Each files for different business types. Dummy invoices generate revenue. $2.9 million moves through each. This avoids direct red flags. No single deposit exceeds $10 million. The client gets their money. The deal closes on time. You just saved the day. You just committed felony wire fraud. The partner smiles. Good work, he says, handing you a bonus check. It is for $50,000. Your cut. A week later, he calls you. A small issue, he explains. The new investor requires a specific accounting manager. He means you. He needs ongoing expertise. Your name is now on the offshore filings. Your signature authorizes transactions. He holds your CPA license. It's a compliance formality, he assures you, just until this project finishes. Your entire career is now tied to his scheme. Refusing means a swift end. Your license could be revoked by the board. Your reputation destroyed. The regulatory fines alone exceed $2 million. You cannot walk away. You are already in too deep. You're invaluable, he adds. You're too good to lose. Then the new client calls you directly. We need to talk, a calm voice says. My name is Mateo. He doesn't sound like an energy executive. Mateo's voice is smooth. He invites you to a private dinner, not a restaurant, a penthouse suite downtown. He explains his real business. International logistics. You manage his books. Your first task, consolidate scattered funds. Hundreds of small cash transactions. Deposited by runners. You establish a network of 12 shell companies in Wyoming. They manage consulting fees. Each takes 800 deposits. Each deposit is $9,800. This keeps them below CTR limits. The runners get $150 per drop. You transfer $9.4 million into a clean account. The fee for you, $120,000. You buy a new luxury car. A midnight black Porsche 911. You rationalize the work. It is just moving numbers. No one gets hurt. You just bought a Porsche. You just facilitated drug trafficking. Mateo smiles. You're efficient, he says. We have another project. Second job, expand the network. A new product line, pharmaceuticals. You set up 7 more LLCs. These are in New Mexico. They operate as import-export firms. You over-invoice a shipment of medical supplies by $8 million. The supplies are real. The price is not. The extra $8 million vanishes. It reappears in offshore accounts. You manage a ledger only you can decode. Your cut, $250,000. You buy a vacation home, a secluded cabin in the mountains. Your life is upgrading. The stakes are rising. Third job, larger scale. Distribute product. $30 million in cash. It arrives in duffel bags. You charter private planes. Not for you, for the money. You gamble $500,000 at blackjack. You cash out $450,000 in casino chips for clean checks. The casinos don't ask questions. You use 10 separate cash-out windows. You purchase high-value art pieces, sculptures, paintings. Each sells for over $1 million. You create provenance documents. They now look legitimate. The money cycles. Your cut, $750,000. You wear custom suits. Your watch is now a Patek Philippe. You are indispensable. You are also compromised. Mateo brings you coffee. He remembers your exact order. Black, 2 sugars. He watches you from across his large desk. He knows everything. We have a new problem, he says calmly. The partner from Sterling and Finch. He wants his cut. That is when you notice the problem. The old partner wants his share. He knows too much. He knows about the LLCs. He knows about the over-invoicing. He knows about your role. He calls you directly. You remember that license? He asks. I could make a call. Your original mistake is now a weapon. Mateo's people handle the partner. Not violently, just convincingly. The partner disappears from the firm. His name vanishes from the roster. A different kind of fear sets in. You are protected, but also controlled. Your phone rings again. It's Mateo. Your services are needed elsewhere, he says. A new operation, closer to the source. Your location is shifting. Your autonomy is gone. You are flown on a private jet. It is not yours. You land in a remote airstrip. Guards meet you. You are escorted to a compound. It is heavily secured. Your new office is sparse. A steel desk, a single computer, no internet connection. You cannot communicate freely. Your old life is now a distant memory. Your passport is collected. For safekeeping, a guard says, smiling faintly, you'll need a local permit to travel. You now realize the true cost. You are a valuable asset. You are also a prisoner, and now you cannot leave. Your new reality is stark. You work in a fortress. The product is pure. Raw material arrives in unmarked trucks. It is processed in labs nearby. The purity is tested at 99%. You track every gram. You manage a ledger of hundreds of thousands of entries. This isn't just money laundering. This is manufacturing, distribution, and finance. You learn the street prices. $12,000 per kilo at the source. $30,000 in transit countries. $50,000 in destination cities. The numbers flow like blood. You structure payments to farmers and chemists. Cash payments. No paper trail. You use a Hawala system. Trust networks. Money moves across borders without physically crossing. Agents in different cities balance accounts. No banks involved. It's invisible. You manage the collection points. 5 key hubs in different countries. Each has a gatekeeper. You move it. You get your cut. One gatekeeper tells you, over a satellite phone, you forget my face. You track the weekly revenues. $80 million, then $90 million, then $110 million. Car dealerships, restaurants, hotels, these become fronts. They wash the cash. They generate fake invoices. A restaurant might claim 5,000 covers a night. Its real capacity is 150. You falsify tax records. You underreport income for the real businesses. This makes the fake profits less noticeable. You pay cash to employees, off the books. They don't complain about the wages. Matteo visits you monthly. He brings you fresh fruit. He discusses market trends. He reminds you of your value. Your system works, he says, inspecting the financial report. The flow is perfect. He shows you a photograph. It is your family. A casual shot from a public park. They look happy. He leaves the photo on your desk. He does not mention it. He does not need to. You understand the message. You ensure the flow stays perfect. You find new ways to hide the money. You discover an old system, a network of offshore trusts. They own the front businesses. Their beneficiaries are anonymous. Then, Matteo gives you a new order. It is an expansion, a new continent. You see two paths before you. One is escape. You could try to build a case. You have the ledgers. You have the numbers. You know the players. You could contact authorities. The risk is immense. They might not protect you. They might see you as part of the problem. Your testimony could save your life. It could also end it. The cartel's reach is vast. Your family is a target. The evidence could disappear, or you could lean in. Become indispensable. Rise further. Enjoy the wealth, the power, the illusion of safety. You've laundered billions, you've structured empires. You are the architect of their financial machine. The rewards are beyond your wildest dreams. A private island, unlimited funds. But you are still a prisoner. A highly paid, highly controlled prisoner. The choice is not really yours. Matteo gives you a new task. Expand into South Asia. A vast new market. He hands you a new passport. It has a different name, a different face. Your old identity is gone. You are now Elias Vargas. Your new life begins. He asks you to move to a new location. A quiet villa. High walls. Remote. More secure. You accept the assignment. You begin the planning. You create the new shell companies. You establish the new Hawala nodes. You just got a promotion. You just sealed your fate. You are a ghost. Untraceable. Unknown. Except to Matteo. He sends you a message. A single image. It is your new villa. The gates are already closing. Then you see the number. You manage the new continent. The money flows. The ledgers balance. You are a master of the dark arts of finance. Your worth is incalculable. Your freedom is zero. The villa is opulent. The walls are high. The guards are always present. You see your family's pictures. They are safe. For now, you have everything you ever wanted. The wealth, the power, the control, but it is not yours. It belongs to the system. You are a cog, a crucial one, but still a cog. You cannot leave. You cannot stop. The machine moves forward. It needs your skills. It will always need your skills. Your life is a continuous loop of numbers. Your own identity is just another false entry. You are a valuable asset in their financial ecosystem, simply being reclassified as a liability on a